Flexjet 560, signature with Tango taxi.
Flexjet 560, runway, actually departure frequency is 119.35. Runway 22 left. What taxi are you coming out of?
We're over at Whiskey, Flexjet 560.
Flexjet 560, roger, taxi via Foxtrot and hold short of runway 22 right. Plan for runway 22 left.
Alright, plan for 22 left, Foxtrot Whiskey, Flexjet 560. Hey, Ground, Flexjet 560, just want to confirm our taxi instructions for 22 left from Signature.
Yeah, where on the ramp are you, sir?
We're at Signature Aviation at Alpha taxi.
Okay, taxi Alpha, Foxtrot, hold short of 22 right.
Alpha Fox, hold short, 22 right, Flexjet 560.
Flexjet 560, turn left on runway 4 left, cross runway 31 left, and hold short of runway 31 center.
Right, left on 4 left, cross 22 or 13 center, Flexjet 560.
Flexjet 560 negative, cross runway 31 left, hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, Flexjet 560.
Southwest 20.
Southwest 2504 going around.
2504, roger that, maintain 3000.
Southwest 2504 up to 3000. Flexjet 560, hold your position there.
Hold position, Flexjet 560.
Flexjet 560, continue across the hold short of hotel.
Cross the hold short hotel, Flexjet 560.
So 2504, when able, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Southwest 2504. Flexjet 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center. And Tower Southwest 2504, how'd that happen?
That's 2504, climbing 3000, contact Chicago approach 128.2.
128.2, Southwest 2504. Flexjet 560, possible pilot deviation. Advise you contact Midway Tower at a number when you're ready to copy.
Flexjet 560, ready to copy.
Flexjet 560, it's 773-884.
Flexjet 560, 773-884.
Flexjet 560, reback correct.